Okay, it is 6 a.m. I haven't slept a wink. And that is because we are surprising my dad like 5 minutes before the airport that him and Vicky are not just going on a trip within the United States. They're actually going to France. And on top of that, he's not going with just them. He's going with all of his kids. This?
Can't all of his friends.
Oh no. It's homemade if you can't tell. There they are, Dad. Baby, baby, baby. There they are. He's here, he's here, he's here, he's here.
It's about time.
Oh, he's gonna make me nervous. He's just my dad.
There you go. Are you going with me?
We're all going with you.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all so awesome. Well, it's about time. Oh, I love you.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm excited. Yes, you are. I love you.